Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video thanking all of you for all of your support. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I do still have week 8 and week 9 to complete. I have been sick for about a week and a half now. I am getting over it, so I look forward to getting week 8 and week 9 out there for you and helping you continue your journey through CS50 and then moving on to some other code that I think is important, some other lessons that help teach some Harvard classes, some NYU, some MIT classes, things like that. So this channel is going to keep growing. Remember, the best thing that you guys can do for me is clicking that subscribe button. It is absolutely free for you to do. It takes almost no effort whatsoever. I'm hoping to get over this cold soon. I want to let you know that I appreciate you. This video may not be permanent, but I know I'm up to over 270 subscribers, up to over 10,000 views, 500 watch hours. All of these things are incredibly important to me. The subscribers means so much. So if this channel is helping everyone out, the easiest, most simple thing you can do is like, comment, and definitely hit that subscribe. Totally free, almost effortless, helps this channel, helps me stay motivated and keep these things going to let me know that I'm reaching you. Even if you turn off your alerts, I don't post a ton of videos, so you shouldn't get a bunch, but everything I'm posting, if it has been helpful for you, it should continue to be helpful for you, because I'm going to continue to go over other code classes with these tutorials and help keep you learning and help keep you moving forward so that you become a better programmer or coder, or you understand these lectures more. Whatever the case may be, I'm here to help you out. I wanted to thank you again from the bottom of my heart. I hope I feel better soon so I can get back to doing these things. Thank you so much for the subscribers I have, for all the interactions I have. You're always welcome to reach out to me in any way that makes you feel comfortable, whether that's on Discord or in the comments. Whatever I can do to help you out, I definitely will. Thanks so much for everyone I have. I appreciate you, and I look forward to helping you out. Remember, you are awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.